olive oil. Tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce. Get as thick or as thin as you want. Fresh mozzarella cheese. Fresh pepperonis all the way around. We'll be back when they're all completed. Let me show you what it looks like. There they go. All the pepperonis are on. Now we're going to look for some jalapenos. Fresh jalapenos on half the pizza. That'll be good to go. There you go. Jalapeno on that. So there you go. There's some cauliflower crust, pizza crust with fresh spaghetti sauce, tomato sauce, and fresh mozzarella, some pepperonis, and jalapenos. Put it in the oven at 425 for 8 to 12 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like. There we go, 14 minutes cooking. Alright guys, so there you go. That's how you make a cauliflower pizza dough pizza. I'll have another video on how actually just to make the crust. I give you the instructions on how to make the pizzas, but I'll show you how to make the dough on another video, and how to use a dough docker to actually take the air pockets out, leaves the holes across it, the lines, which helps the dough raise and do a lot better, I guess. So that's the way we like to do a pizza. We can prep everything the day before. I can get home and make the pizzas pretty quick. Within 5 minutes, have the pizzas in the oven, and it's about 14 minutes to cook them. And I put them on broil for the last few minutes so they get a little toasty on top. But the family seems to love them. They taste great. They're good-looking pizzas. So let me know what y'all think. You know, guys, you can see us here on Facebook and here on YouTube. So give me your comments. Tell me what you like. Make sure you subscribe down below. And hey, y'all live well, and God bless y'all. We'll talk to y'all really soon.